Right. Note to future self. You are the shit.
Yeah, I like that. Listen to me.
You got the answers, bro.
Ungazodlala ngami, umkhapheli wami, ummameli wami, umkhokheli wami, umboweni wami, umila statue, Machiavelli.
Welcome. I welcome you all. Welcome to Behind the Edit with myself, of course. I go by Sukhiloso. Sukhi Kamanga ufungubiza ngantwana. This is just a playlist where you can learn how we did certain edits, certain shoots. Maybe you want to learn a thing or two about cameras or editing, mostly based on behind the actual work. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Zwakala, mentwana, make yourself some coffee or juice, whatever you people drink nowadays. I'm more of a mocha guy. Some good ass mocha. Anyway, this show is gonna be jam-packed with action, clips, snippets. Actually, there are gonna be some few behind the scenes clips that will show you. I must warn you, scamamang. Oh, we lie in this company, but you know, cameras, anything involving a camera, so not man. Already, Instagram is showing us flames, but it's fine. That's a topic for another day. But yeah, welcome to Behind the Edit.
Umkhapheli wami, ummameli wami, umkhokheli wami, umboweni wami, umila statue, Machiavelli wami, Machiavelli wami.